This is if I fall all the way down, I have to do some in my Roblox video. I was in my video, I was trying to punishment for myself.
They will do Roblox games from different countries. There's a lot of games based on the cultures and history of the Philippines, Russia, and even North Korea. And not only that, a lot of them are actually filled with players from these countries. And the first country we're going to start off with is actually the one that watches me the most outside of the United States, the Philippines. Fun fact, in the Philippines, there's actually an official Roblox car wash. Like you can actually find this on Google Maps. But yeah, our new place called Roblox car wash. And first we're gonna speak for us for a reason. Hey, it's got a 4.9-star rating. Just look at some of the reviews. Perfection. My truck looks absolutely clean after the wash. This is a Roblox truck. Okay. Great car wash. My car looks like it's brand new. It was only 69 Roblox. 6 out of 5 stars. If you end up looking love the workers fresh and clean and on. Alright, here we go. The way RP hangout. So I believe that this game is actually a lot of old games playing this right now. Oh, we got some music. Okay. So what I'm seeing here is this kind of looks like a Brookhaven film. So over here we have.
Hello guys. Good afternoon. Good afternoon guys. Welcome to my live stream. Premier promotion.
Which translates to say no and yes is important because it is a sign of respect, especially to the elderly.
Hello Sister Rochelle.
So yeah, something I like about this game.
Thank you so much, Sister Rochelle. Hi, hello sa mga tempuyaters. Direct live sa ta kay murag gipulaan ako sa kuan sa ngalan ana sis oy out si Rochelle kaning screen. Screen tambay lang ako, Ate Maripi, sleep ako. Sige sige. Ikaw pa man ang pinakaunang nisulod sa team nato. Thank you. Sige, pagtulog sa diha. Ako dugay pud ko na mata ganiha. Gani pod. Tulog ko ganina, namata ko, hapit naman po ko alas 3 good ganina, oy. Hala, bakit nag-green skin? Oh, green screen. My gosh. Unsay akong napindot? Na-green. My gosh, unsay akong napindot ani? Unsay akong napindot nganong ni green? Nawara gud akong screen na. Green diha. Hindi man. Ngano man ni na-green nala ko na pindot tingali ay kay nitatak din siya green screen. Ano ba? Green diha si Rochelle na green? Pwede na nimo butangan pic sa likod nimo. Unsaan magbutang? Butangan og pic? Mawala akong kuan. Na green screen. Kaning kilid na box, kaning nasa box kilid, kaning isa kay kuan man ni